Welcome to the Data Analytics course. In this short preview, I will walk you through every module you will learn from fundamentals and Excel to SQL, Python, dashboards, and full end to end analytics project. Let's get started. Module 1, Data Fundamentals and Excel for Analysis. Module 1 begins with the basic. You will understand what data analytics is, type of data, structured versus unstructured format, and full analytics workflow. We then move into Excel, performing sorting, filtering formulas, pivot table, charts, lookup function, and creating clean analytical spreadsheets. This builds the foundation for your analytical thinking. 2. SQL for Analytics, Join Aggregation Windows function. In the module 2, you will learn SQL, the most essential skill in analytics. We cover selecting, filtering, grouping, and aggregation. Then you will master join, subqueries, and powerful window functions and running totals. By the end of this module, you will be able to analyze and dataset directly from the database. Module 3, Python for Data, Pandas and NumPy. Module 3 introduces Python for data analytics. You will learn how to clean, manipulate, and analyze data using pandas and perform numerical operation with NumPy. We work with the real data sets, loading CVS, selecting columns, merging tables, handling missing values, and creating visual output. This module makes you a hands-on data analyst. Module 4, Data Cleaning and ETL Basic. In Module 4, you will learn how to clean raw data and build simple ETL workflow. We explore handling duplicates, inconsistent format, missing data, and outer layer. You will also understand the ETL pipeline, extract, transform, load, and how real companies prepare data for dashboard and reporting. Module 5, Visualization, Power BI, Tableau, and Matplotlib. Module 5 is all about visualizing insights. You will learn how to build interactive dashboards in Power BI or Tableau using Sillars, Map, KPIs, and drill downs. We also cover Python visualization using Matplotlib for deeper analytical charts. This module helps you to transform data into meaningful visuals. Module 6, Statistical Basic and A/B Testing Fundamentals. Module 6 gives you the essential statistic every analysis must know: mean, median, variance, correlation, probability, and distribution. We then introduce A/B testing, designing experiment, calculations, significance, understanding p-values, and making data-driven decisions. Module 7, Dashboarding and Storytelling with Data. In Module 7, we focus on storytelling, not just charts. You will learn how to structure insights, highlight key findings, choose the right chart for the right data, and communicate results clearly to clients or stakeholders. This is where your analytical skill turn into real business impact. Module 8, Final Capstone, End-to-End Analytics Project. Finally, the course ends with a full capstone project. You will collect data, clean it, analyze it using SQL and Python, build visual dashboards, and present your final insights just like a real data analytics. These hands-on projects prepare you for the real-world analytical roles and portfolio building. By the end of this data analytics course, you will have complete job-ready skill from Excel to SQL, Python, dashboards, and real-world analytics. Let's begin your journey into the world of data.